everybody, it's me, Tyler, coming to you again with a brand new one. Today, we're gonna be in the kitchen. You know why? Because we're cooking some treats up. What kind of treats? Crispy rice treats. You don't gotta have the Rice Krispie treats, guys. You can have crispy rice. And I'm gonna show you how to make them taste just as good. All you're gonna need is your crispy rice, 1 10-ounce mini marshmallows, a bowl, spoon, and the key ingredient, vanilla extract. And the extra special ingredient, this is what Chef Boyar-T does. He gets the white bacon chips. That's white chocolate. Yeah, white chocolate. Okay? Show you how to do that. It'll blow your mind. Here we go. Oh, and butter. You need a lot of butter. So first things first, we're gonna head over here to the stove. We're gonna cut this on medium, right? Medium, high heat. And what we're gonna do is cut this light on first. We want to let you see the light. And then what you're gonna do is go just like this right here. I've washed my hands already, sanitized everything, make sure everything was clean, and making sure everything is gonna be just right. So you just drop that bad boy in there. That's all you gotta do, just drop it in there and let it do what it do. So next, as that's simmering, what you want to do, you're gonna need 6 crispy Rice Krispies cups. All right, I'm gonna pour 6 cups. All right, so as you can see, we just have crispy rice right now. We don't have anything else. We haven't touched the marshmallows. We got our butter in here. Let me see if I can cut this up a little bit. I don't want to cut it up too high, so I burn the butter. But what I want to do is stir it around like this so it just melts a little bit. When you get it in the middle right there, it melts a little bit faster. So you just swirl it around like that. Swirl, swirl. Because you really want this to be completely melted before you move on to the next step. If you have it halfway, then you're gonna have chunks of butter in your Rice Krispie treats. So get it melted real good. You hear that right there? You hear that? That's that good sound. That's called love. And I done cut the heat up just a little bit so she melt all the way. Got my little spoon. Got my morsels. We're gonna keep those there. Now the next step, we're gonna take these marshmallows. Some people like to use the big ones. I'm a big fan of using the small ones. Some people like to use the cream. I like using the marshmallows just because I don't want to miss that step. So what I like also to do is I don't put all of them in there. I don't melt all of them. I leave about that much in there. Wow. Leave about that much in there. We'll say a cup. And then throw these in to the side. All right. Come on now. All right. Cool. All right, now this is important because you want to make sure this is nice and buttery, because this is what's going to connect everything together. This is your flavor right here. This is what's going to give it the pop that most people don't have in their Rice Krispies. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I don't really give out recipes like this, but you can have this one. You can have this one. This is a regular one. This is a regular one around here. They like this. They like, when you make a video? I'm like, man, I don't make a video. I guess I got to. All right, so she doing her thing. I'm gonna go ahead and that's probably gonna be on there another 30 seconds, like that. While that's melting, you wanna take this right here. This is what you want. If you don't put this in your Rice Krispies, then you not eating good Rice Krispies. They're eating regular Rice Krispie treats. This is vanilla flavor. Now we got the imitation vanilla, which still works. Cause you know real vanilla can be expensive. Real vanilla probably gonna be like $20. So we balling on a budget over here. But it's okay. It's okay to eat good and eat on a budget. So really you're supposed to put like a tablespoon in there, but I just chef it. You know what chef it? Chef it just like how you feel. I felt like that right there. So when I feel that right there, I mix it up. Mix it good like that. Mix it good. Mix it good. Now you ain't gotta get it all cream. You can have, you see how you got some lumps in there still? That's still, that's gonna be good. All right, so now, the moment you've all been waiting for. This moment right here, we're gonna go ahead and put these Rice Krispies in here, crispy rice. And as you put it in there, you kinda wanna stir it like such. It might be hard for some of y'all out there, but I know you can do it. You don't want them to burn. So stir it. Now, they all in there. Take that off to the heat. Put that over there because you don't want them to burn. Take it off the heat and stir. All right, so I'm stirring. Stir it up. Stir it up. All right. These are white chocolate baking chips. Now this is kind of hot, but we took it off the heat so they shouldn't melt all the way. They should melt enough, but not all the way. So I'm gonna just kind of let these just fall in there, just like this. Not to put too much in there. Put these in there just like that. And you stir it like that. Get you a nice pan and grease it up with some butter, or you can even use some canola oil, cooking spray. Bop, bop. Put that up. All right. Now, while that's in there doing this, last step is this right here. You're just gonna dump those in there like such. Bam. Do one last stir. Next thing we do, we here with it. We right here. Now this. There we go. You don't want to get it all out, that's cool, because you know how some bakers, we like to keep the pot in the pan so we can eat that for later. But now, you just flatten it out. Put it over top like this. And you just smash the edges so that all the way to the end. All right. So most people will stop right there, right? We got the white chocolate in there. We got the marshmallows in there. But no, we're not done. We're not done. Got some more chocolate. This is what we take it up a notch. This is what separates the bakers from the fakers. Now, we don't have many of these chocolate chips. So, We may just use the rest of them. I don't know. Let's put these on 30 seconds in the microwave. 30 seconds. Oh, let's get it cooking. Let's see how much. Okay, okay. Not all the way melted. And you want to make sure that you take them out and smash them up some, because if you just leave them in there for a long time, they'll burn. You don't want them to burn. All right, we'll melt a little bit more. 15 seconds. Okay, that's about right. All right. All right, now, this is what we got to do. We're gonna take this right here, and we're gonna put this right in this bag. Just like that. Right? Y'all know where I'm going with this. Y'all know. The bakers do. The real bakers. The real bakers out there. You know where I'm going with this. It's still warm. Still warm. All right. So now you just squeeze it all the way down. Like, you know, I don't have any of the other, you know, squeeze bags that they have, like when you're doing cake icing. Now, this hole is kind of big. So what I should have done is made a hole smaller. I would recommend making a smaller hole unless you have a whole lot of chocolate. But this is how I get it in. Since there's so much gonna come out this big old hole, I'm going to have to switch it up. Which is cool. Ain't nothing wrong with switching it up. I've never ever made globs like this. Just to let you guys know. The hole's usually not this big. I usually like drizzle it. But it's okay. Because they like it anyway. I almost shouldn't even had a bag with this, because it didn't do what I needed to do. But it's okay. That's because they're gonna fight over the good pieces. So you get your spatula. If you're in this position, get your spatula and you go like this. Woo! You see that right there? You see how I just smeared it like that? Just smear it. Just smear it. Smear it. Smear it. Smear it. Now, obviously, these pieces here are gonna be the best pieces. Everybody's gonna want those pieces. That's why you cut it up in squares. Now, if you like, you can add more chocolate if you want. It's up to you. Go crazy on the chocolate. But don't forget, you already got chocolate morsels on the inside, so you're gonna get the chocolate taste. It's white chocolate, so it's not like really sweet, but it's still good. There you go. Check them out. Have a taste. That's it for our show today. Thanks for tuning in to the Favored Ferguson channel. I'm Tyler, Chef Boyar-T, in the kitchen with the white chocolate crispy Rice Krispie treats. All right, y'all. We'll see you next time.